Okay, so this is a fun little pro tip for you guys. So after you've spent the time to set up all the, canvases and easels and everything, and you've been running around setting up maybe a PA system and the dump station and the merch table and everything, you might get a little sweaty. I'm just being honest, through the years playing in bands and everything, setting up on stage and stuff, you tend to sweat because you're lifting things and everything. So another good little pro tip for you is to bring a spare shirt and maybe bring some cologne or perfume or whatever you got. So right now I'm gonna go freshen up and get ready for people to come out. So see you guys in a little bit. All right.